Coinmarketcap and the evolution of our market. So if you want to learn a bit more from the father of information, let's see how our market works. Let's see how much Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum were at a year ago or 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. Let's understand this market a bit better. Coinmarketcap and the evolution in our market. Did what we mentioned a year ago actually happen? Has it become a reality? So let's open here our student area and let's take a look at our platform. A class here about Coinmarketcap. Let's go here inside the advanced course and let's go to the Coinmarketcap module. Number 1, the mother of information, are the prices that I can see here, and the market reacted in a way that we expected. So in the cover of this video, look at the price that it was, the Bitcoin, for example, that the Bitcoin was. Look at the price that Ethereum was. Dash, Ripple, Monero, Litecoin, $3.85. Ethereum Classic at 1.41. Remember our technique 10 per 1 that you were supposed to invest in 10 cryptocurrencies? If only one would rise in value, you'd be profiting, because the profit from this currency would compensate for the loss you've had in all the other ones. So let's move forward a little bit and let's check what I say in this screen at this particular date. This date that was 6/06/2017. Our Bitcoin was at 2,844. Ethereum was $259. Ripple was at 28 cents of a dollar. NEM was at 23 cents. Ethereum Classic was at 17.35. Litecoin was at $30. Have these currencies grown in value? So look at here, Monero, $50. So could we have had some profit in these currencies? So has anyone who applied the 10 per 1 technique profited from this a year ago? Has it worked? Let me just fast forward this video a little bit. Let me scroll down here the bar. Let's go back to the real world in the Coinmarketcap, and let's take a look and see what happened to these currencies. So now in real time, let's go back here and let's play it again. So Bitcoin at this date that we've shown on our course, if you had already been a trader and if you had already had access to this course, some time ago, to be more precise, going back 9 months from now, look what would have happened. You would have bought a Bitcoin at $2,844, and you could be selling it today for more than $10,000. You could have bought Ethereum at $259, and you could be selling it today at $872. Ripple, you could have purchased it for 28 cents of a dollar, and you would be selling it now at 92 cents of a dollar. You would have purchased Litecoin at $30, and you would be selling it today at $209. Can we find among them any of these currencies that have had a huge drop in price? Monero, for example, $50. Let's see how much it is today. So 50.53 here. Let's see how much it is today. 314 today. So I think that there were none of these currencies that have experienced a loss. Actually, I'm sure of it. So look at Ethereum Classic. It was $17 and now it's $33. Dash was $144, $617 today. So once again, the Coinmarketcap, which is, well, as I call the mother of information, shows again that we're absolutely right. So you've seen already in the historical snapshots class that this tool is really fantastic. So you have access to all the years. You can monitor all these cryptocurrencies year after year, month after month, day after day. So it's very interesting that you are always following this part of the Coinmarketcap website. So this class is only to give you a glimpse on how much all the cryptocurrencies have been evolving. There's just a small doubt. Let me just show you something else here. Look at the market cap. Look at the trading volume in the last 24 hours on this date. So for example, Bitcoin was around $2,122,000,000. So let's see it today in real time. The volume in the last 24 hours, $7 billion. Ethereum is $1,869,000,000. Is this market growing or what? Is there any doubt that this market will continue on growing from now on? This is what you will continue learning in our course.